Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So I just have a small little haul, so let me go ahead and show you what I have. Yes, I am sitting down because I am tired. Anyway, Dollar Tree carries these sunflowers. I couldn't resist. And I'm going to see if I grab some more, and I love that color. Now, I've been testing out the pink stuff, and this is the Dollar Tree dupe, guys. So I have not tried it. I'm going to do a video on that. So this one is the paste. That's what it looks like. The multi-purpose cleaning paste. And then this one is the multi-purpose cleaner. See how it says pink formula? So I'm going to see how these two work. But look what else I found. I found the coffee. If you have a coffee machine, the coffee and espresso machine descaling. It's a cleaning solution. So I'm going to give this a try. And then, of course, we couldn't leave there without buying Nala a gift because Nina has her little soft toys. So that is my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Have an amazing day, guys. And there comes the phantom mush. Have an amazing day and God bless you.